past sunrise, going surf fishing. Looks like the waves are going to be pretty calm all week, so it should be good fishing all week. High tide was earlier this morning, I think a little bit past 4 or so. So it's heading toward low tide, but it's pretty high right now. Got some fishermen out here already. Today I set up the fish finder rig, putting a 1 ounce on there. And I'm gonna try the crappie sliders first. Fish on. All right. Little small one. Gonna switch it up to the red Berkley sandworms. Caught one little small one. Look, people out here trying.